Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a beer can chicken on my kettle. If you stand a chicken up and put it on the grill grate, the lid won't close. So what I'm going to do here is I have two bricks I turned on their side, on their edge, and I have a cast iron pan. So I'm going to put the cast iron pan on top of the bricks and then put my beer can chicken holder, can holder on top of that, and we'll see how this goes. Then I'll just put my coals all around the outside. I'm going to use lump charcoal. I have a 6-pound chicken in a bucket of brine over here, and my brine consists of 1 gallon of water, 1 cup of kosher salt, and a ½ cup of brown sugar. I just mix that up cold in the bucket, put the chicken in there, and then just put it in the refrigerator overnight. Works pretty good that way. Makes the chicken a lot juicier and gives it some more flavor. So just rinse that off and let it sit and kind of dry off for a minute. And I'm just going to season this inside and out with some of this barbecue rub. This one's from the J. Christopher Company, but you can use whatever kind of barbecue rub that you like. I have a 10-inch cast iron skillet here, and I put my beer can chicken holder there with my can of Colorado Kool-Aid in the middle. Actually, that's not beer, that's just water. I can never taste the beer, so I just drank the beer and put water in the can. Why waste beer? Now we'll get our chicken on there. If I can get it on there. There we go. Chicken is on there, and one last thing I'm going to do is stick an oven meat thermometer right into the thickest part of the breast right there. Just kind of help me tell when it's done. I'm not really sure how the best way to do this is, so I just sprinkled some charcoal all the way around. Just put a little bit of lighter fluid on it to light it. Come on, Match, what's going on here? So all the way around to be kind of like a ring of fire. Be like Johnny Cash to be proud, I guess. Hope the chicken doesn't fall into the burning ring of fire. Man, it's windy out here, so that wind is really fanning the fire there. Starting to go pretty good. I'm just going to get it on there. Man, that's hot. All right, I'm going to get the lid on. I'll just leave the vents wide open for now. And we'll see how that goes. It's been about half an hour, so let's take a look at this. That actually looks pretty good. I still have the vents all the way open, so I think I'll just get the lid back on and let it cook for a while longer. It's been an hour and 10 minutes, so let's take a look at this here. So what's happening is my coals really didn't light very well on that side, so they're mainly just burning on this one side, and I had to add a little bit more because it was kind of dying down, and I've had to rotate the chicken. The breast was over on this side, and I kind of rotated it so it's away from the flames here, and these are starting to flame up, so I'm just going to get the lid back on. And the internal temperature is about 120, so once it hits about 160 to 165, I'll get it off of there and we'll try it out. This took about 2.5 hours to cook, and it's been resting for about 15 minutes, so let's take a look at it here. Looks pretty good. See how the breast meat looks here. Looks pretty juicy, not bad. Not bad at all. Actually, that looks real good. See how the leg looks here. Looks good. It's not pink. Looks pretty juicy. Not bad. Let's try a bite of this breast meat here. Wow, that looks real good. That turned out real good. Real juicy, and the flavor is really good. Fire didn't burn exactly the way I wanted it to, but still turned out good in the end. Time for Annie to taste test, dog, to give her taste test. She's got that pre-taste test wag going on. I guess that means it's pretty good. So every fire burns a little bit different, and that one didn't quite burn exactly the way I wanted it to or expected it to, but I just kind of kept rotating the chicken a little bit and adding more charcoal to the one side that was burning, and it turned out good in the end. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.